What's up YouTube, Teddy Westside here for another video, and today we're going to put an APR downpipe on my MK7 GTI. That's right, I'm deciding I'm going to go straight to stage 2 even with the stock clutch. If you watch my last videos, you have seen that I went stage 1 recently and I'm already experiencing some clutch slippage. In my last video I kind of asked for your thoughts and opinions on if it was a good idea or not to go straight to stage 2 even though I have the stock clutch, and well, I've decided I'm just going to do it. The car still runs and drives fine, I just can't floor it. I'm not going to be able to floor it stage 1 or stage 2, so my thoughts are let's go stage 2, get the full sound with the downpipe, and I can have some fun with the APR Exhaust Crackle tune, or the pops and bangs as most people are calling it. I decided to go with APR for a few reasons. One, the upgrade from stage 1 to stage 2 is free if you already have the APR downpipe. 2, they've been in Volkswagens and Audis ever since I can remember, so they're definitely a trusted brand in that aspect. And 3, the exhaust crackle. I saw the Instagram post that APR put out when it first came available, and I fell in love with it, and honestly that's probably the main reason why I went this way. Is it the smartest decision? We'll find out, but at least I think I'll be able to have some fun. Right now I want to show you some pictures of the package that you receive if you order an APR downpipe. It comes in a big old box with excellent insulation in there so that you know that your parts are nice and safe. Right here we have the flex pipe and the high flow cat. I really like that this came in 2 separate pieces because it makes installation way easier. Next we have the 2 heavy duty clamps that APR provides you. Next here we have the O2 sensor extension cable. Right here is a bracket and screw that you'll need to attach the pipe to the car. They were very nice to provide you with some gloves and some free stickers. And then right here is the 2.5 inch to 3 inch pipe that you need if you have the factory exhaust. I do not have the factory exhaust, so we will get into what I need for that later. Okay, so after seeing all the beauties, I'm gonna go outside where it is, let me just pull up the weather on my phone real quick. It's actually 17 degrees outside, I'm shocked. But anyways, I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna give you one last cold start, and I'll give it a couple revs so that later in the video we can match up what it sounds before the downpipe and after the downpipe. After I show you those clips, I'll probably be up at the shop with Russ from Medic Magic, and we will get into the install. So I will see you guys up at Swanky Garage. Alright guys, so we made it to the Swanky Garage. We're getting started. I got the car ready to go on the quick jacks, just need to pump it up. Pipe has been trying to cool off after my hour-long drive up here. I sat outside for a little bit, so hopefully that helps. This is pretty simple. I'll try to show you as much as I can. Alright guys, so I'm under the car here. Right here is the stock clamp that connects to the downpipe to my exhaust, and then I'm gonna have to remove this because this is 3 inch going to 2.5 inch. APR sends the same thing the other way, and I'm gonna try to avoid doing that and just make it all 3 inch piping. So first thing I'm gonna do is take off these clamps and this piece here. Then I'm gonna take off that clamp right there, or whatever you would call that thing. And then I'm going to try to find the O2 sensor and undo that pretty soon too. Once I get some of this stuff out of my way, I'll try to show you where the one bracket that's kind of tough to get to and get off. I'll try to do my best. But there's the O2 sensor, if you can see that kind of. But yep, I'm going to get cranking away and give you an update in a little bit. Alright guys, so I want to show you this bracket because it's pretty challenging. It's kind of hard to see, but it's kind of like right there where the big part of the light is. There's one bolt there, and there's another bolt right there that you can see. I've already removed the nut. I'm like under the axle for reference, and the back of the car is down that way. But those are challenging. Now all I need to do is remove the O2 sensor, and then I can just rip this thing out and start getting the new one in. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so a little update on what's going on. Ben's under the car trying to get the adapter pipe out of the AWE exhaust because apparently I'm the Hulk and tightened the clamp up way too much. He's been at this for a solid half hour while we went to go get the pipe. So we're going to keep on trying to do this and then give you another update later. After some heat and a whole lot of pounding, as you can see, we finally got this adapter out. Had to take part of the exhaust out to give us a little bit more leverage, but finally out. This piece here is 18 inches long. We only need 9, so Ben is going to cut it out for us.
Sardines.
First of all, take a look at how nice and clean he is. Okay?
Yeah, dude, you're filthy. Why are you so dirty?
And then like,
you need to clean yourself up.
this is what I look like.
What's?
Just look at the hands.
I need to ask you a question. This is real talk.
Okay, hold on. This guy will not let me film. Okay, so before I forget, I want to show you guys what the stock downpipe looks like.
Daddy.
With its 2 big ass cats that rob you of all the horsepower and all the sound.
Look at the flex on that thing.
It is very flexible.
That thing is, give it a note, give it a tune.
Go ahead, blow at it. That was the worst ever.
I'm not a blower, man.
You're a what? What are you?
Listen, I don't need anybody exposing me over there.
Too late.
Teddy, why are you so dirty?
Because I work.
Hey, you need to start more vlogs and less like how-tos. Listen, I'm down for, you guys wanna go to the casino tonight?
Bro, I gotta work at 7.
Dude, that's 9 hours away.
Get a Grom tomorrow. Oh, look at that cut.
Man.
Did you just look at it?
What'd you do? Look at it. It's not even out of the box. There's no coolant running. There's nothing.
Okay guys, so as you can see, the downpipe's finally in. Here is the custom pipe that we had to do in order to get it all to be 3-inch tubing to go with the track exhaust from AWE. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you the first startup with the downpipe.
Wait until I take his battery out of his camera and put it in mine.
I actually have extra.
Here we go, guys.
Definitely louder.
Oh,
way louder.
that's not bad at all.
Oh, that's got a nice rumble.
Rev her up, Santa.
Finally some loud.
Rev her up. Giggity, giggity, you know.
Alright guys, so we heard the downpipe. I think it sounds really good. I'm really excited. It is now 1:05 in the morning. I still have an hour-long drive home. I gotta drop off Russ. So I'm going to end the video now because I'm tired as hell. I gotta work in the morning. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I like the little chop at the end.